Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Tea Star Bakings. Today's video is all about making Swiss rolls, and this Swiss roll is covered with whipped cream. It's the perfect Swiss roll to serve for your dessert. So follow me as I show you the recipe. These are the ingredients: milk, sugar, corn flour, oil, flour, salt, egg yolks, vanilla, and egg whites. We'll add our egg yolk first and our sugar. We'll be using half of the measured sugar. Whip it till it's fluffy and it doubles in size. When you get what you want after giving it a whip, you add your oil, your milk, your vanilla, and give it a whip. Just quick and fast. Next, you add your corn flour, your salt, and your flour all together and sieve it. Mix it up, but do not overmix. Make sure you stop mixing it immediately it has been mixed all through. Keep that aside and bring in your egg whites. Add your lemon zest. I'm just taking off the seeds right now. Mix it till it's double in size and it has a stiff peak. In the process of mixing, make sure you add your sugar, the remaining sugar, bit by bit. When it makes a stiff peak, then your egg white is ready. Bring in your batter and add 1/3 of your egg white. You can stir it as firm as you want here because we're just trying to loosen up the batter. After that, you will be pouring the batter into your egg whites and fold it through. Fold it as gently as you can so as to not deflate the egg whites. Fold it in well till it's this smooth and well mixed. Transfer the batter into your lined baking tray because this is a Swiss roll, right? It will be baked in a tray. Heat the tray on a table 3 to 5 times to let the air bubbles out. The result is out after baking for 25 minutes in a medium heat. I'm just using the palette knife right now to ease up the edge of the cake so as to make sure it comes out fine. Flip your Swiss roll onto a clean towel. Take off the parchment paper and start to roll your cake immediately as it's still hot. It's best to roll your cake when it's hot so as to not get cracks. I'm just trimming off the edge right now so I get a good finish. Use a rubber band to tie up the edges to make it look like a candy. At this point, the cake has completely cooled down and I have spread my whipped cream onto the Swiss roll. I'm gently rolling it now, and as you can see, there is no crack. The perfect Swiss roll. This is the perfect Swiss roll, guys. It looks beautiful. Trim the edges to give it a fine look. You can always leave your Swiss roll naked, but I just want to cover it up and put some toppings on it. I love it that way. The covering must not have a fine finish, guys. As I did mine here, it doesn't have a fine finish because I will be putting sprinkles on it. Also, do make sure you check the description box below for full written recipes. You can add as much sprinkles as you want. You can put coconut on it. You can put almond nuts on it. You can put anything on it. It's your Swiss roll, right? So do what you want. And this is the finish, guys. Look at that beauty. This is it after I've sliced it into small pieces. With this, we have reached the end of today's video. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, guys. And hey, I boxed it. This is the packaging I used for the Swiss roll. Bye. See you next time.